I'm Ken Stone, and my wife Kim and I are from Durango, Colorado, and have lived in Telluride. We've lived in a lot of mountain towns, Telluride, Crested Butte, Steamboat Springs, so we're mountain people. We purchased an ATC all-aluminum toy hauler, 25-foot toy hauler, and had that custom made. You know, we use this as strictly for pleasure for us. We're dirt bikers and mountain bikers, and a toy hauler is perfect. This is actually our 5th toy hauler that we've had, and so we've come to be pretty particular about the type of trailer that we buy. We traveled all the way from Durango here to Mountain Home because of the way we were treated. First off, the way we were treated when we first contacted the people here, and we felt we made kind of a connection on the phone. There's dealers that are closer to us, in fact only a few hours away, but we didn't make that connection that we made over the phone. You know, it was important to us to have this custom built to fit our dirt biking and our mountain biking. We also travel with 3 dogs, and one of the reasons we selected this was the all-aluminum construction, the fact that we can go out and backcountry camp with this, get it dirty, and hose the inside out when we're done. So it was perfect for us. You know, this was our first experience with IWS. It won't be our last, certainly. We really enjoyed this. As I said, they made a genuine, meaningful connection with us on a lot of levels, and everyone here really cared about the product that they delivered, as well as just making sure you were perfectly happy with everything that they did for you. You know, we got to see firsthand what it was like in the shop and meet some of the people that work in the shop here. They took us in and let us inspect some of the work that they were doing. I was impressed from the moment I got here, really. The cleanliness of the shop itself is pretty impressive, as well as the entire building here is really clean, nice. It's a great place. I was pretty impressed with that, but we got to watch them do some custom work for us, and their attention to detail is second to none. You know, we really appreciate the time that was taken for us to understand what we wanted and being able to deliver it. So far we've been really happy with our connection with each of the people we've dealt with here. And I know this won't be our last time that we buy something and have it serviced here because of the way we've been treated.